I want to say to the Prime Minister how much I appreciate your strong personal commitment to strengthening the relationship between these two countries. People are very excited in the United States about the energy that Prime Minister Modi is bringing to efforts in this country to reduce extreme poverty and lift people up, to empower women, to provide access to electricity and clean energy, and invest in infrastructure and the education system. And on all these issues, we want to be partners because many of the efforts that I am promoting inside the United States to make sure that young people get the best education possible, to make sure that ordinary people are properly compensated for their labor and paid fair wages and have job security and health care. These are the same kinds of issues that Prime Minister Modi, I know, cares so deeply about here. And I think there's a common theme in these issues.